is because the MBA has a strong global business focus. In this program, I am pursuing different goals. I want to complement my current knowledge and learn from global business experience. Now, the global trend is the growing importance of Asia-Pacific region and China in particular. All the action in the future is going to be here, and Hong Kong is located strategically. I have to say, Hong Kong is a great place, modern and cosmopolitan city. This culture is diverse and rich, and the Business School offers a unique learning experience combining local insight with a global perspective. I believe that it is an opportunity for future business development and the possibility to understand the business landscape, especially the China market. The second reason is this MBA program has a global and extensive reputation. It has an interesting curriculum with high academic quality. There are interesting courses with a long tradition of excellence in theory and practice. Also high level of academic staff. I can learn many things from great professors and their significant experience. Here I get the chance to put my focus on things that I am interested in.